I am now joined by the MVP of the game, Paige Mowry. Came through with the game-winning RBI. We got to start there. Tell me about the at-bat and the game-winning hit.
The count was 3-2, and I just remember hearing, "Come on, P. Mal," and I swung. That's literally it.
Just following orders, doing what you were told.
Yep.
Well, you girls fell behind early, 3-0 hole. Tell me about the fight and the spirit of this team to rally back and get the dub.
I mean, we can feel it at the beginning. We all know. We just look at each other and we're like, yeah, we're going to win this. And I think that's where we just follow through.
You were 3 for 4 from the dish today. Collectively, your team had 17 hits. What can you say about the overall firepower that the Lady Rams possess?
Thank God we found it now.
Well, you're moving on. Madison is elite. You're moving on to the regional championship. Congratulations! MVP Paige Mowry.